17-beta estradiol protecting the brain from ischemic injury following stroke. These are some of the first ones that really pointed to estrogen's role as an immunomodulator and powerfully anti-inflammatory. It activates several neuroprotective pathways in the brain. It mediates the local and systemic immune response to ischemic stroke, and it is a powerful immunomodulator. Also protects the brain against stroke. This was an interesting study that they actually gave 17-beta estradiol IV in patients that presented to the emergency department in this research institute, and they had profound improvements in post-stroke recovery. Following brain insult, 17-beta estradiol administration increased expression of several proteins not only involved in cell survival, but they also inhibited expression of pro-apoptotic proteins that were involved in cell death.